Okay.
Ufakazi lona uzophana ngobufakazi kubufakazi obusha obuka CCC1 ubufakazi besibini uCCC2.
Okay. Sergeant Mukhola, you've already testified in the trial within a trial on the 23rd of November 2023. Is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Bese sophana ngobufakazi kulesi sigaba besinaso i-trial within a trial ngoNovember nyakenye uthi yebo iqiniso.
And your evidence appears on pages 4 up to 23 of the record. Do you confirm your evidence?
I do confirm, my lord.
Ubufakazi bakho buyabonakala kusukela ku page 4 kuya ku page 23. Uyabuvuma ubufakazi bakho uthi yebo ngiyavuma ukuthi kwakuyiqiniso.
You explained that you were involved in the arrest of accused number 1 during your evidence in the trial within a trial.
That's correct, my lord.
Ngalesikhathi uphana ngobufakazi uye washo ukuthi wena wayuyikade uyingxenye yabantu bekade bebopha umsolo wokuqala uthi yebo ngiyavuma.
Can you just once again repeat the date on which accused number 1 was arrested?
Akusiphindele usuku la umsolo wokuqala uye waboshwa ngalo.
It was on the 30th of May 2020.
Uthi umsolo wokuqala uboshwe nge-30 zika May 2020.
And where did that occur?
Uboshwe kuphi?
In Tembisa, Vusimuzi section.
Uye waboshwa eThembisa eVusmuzi section.
Can you tell the court in your own words what happened during the arrest?
Akutshela inkantolo ngamazwi wakho ukuthi kwenzakeleni ngalesikhathi ezebe eboshwa umsolo.
My lord, when the accused person, my lord, was arrested in Tembisa, he was found in a possession of 2 cell phones.
Inkosi yenkantolo umsolo uma eboshwa eThembisa utholakele enomakhalekhukhwini ababili.
Yes.
And the cell phones, my lord, were seized by Constable Buthelezi.
Lo makhalekhukhwini bobabini bathathwa uConstable Buthelezi.
Yes.
In which, my lord, he then, my lord, immediately gave me the 2 cell phones.
Uye wanginika bona lo makhalekhukhwini ngaso leso sikhathi.
Yes.
I got the exhibit bag and put in the 2 cell phones, my lord, in that exhibit bag.
Ngiye ngathatha ke isikhwama sobufakazi ngafaka labo makhalekhukhwini kuleso sikhwama.
Yes.
From there, my lord, we then proceeded with the investigations.
Ukusuka lapho ke inkosi yenkantolo ngiye saqhubeka ngokuphenya.
Do you remember the make of the 2 cell phones?
Usakhumbula ukuthi lo makhalekhukhwini bebanjani inhlobo yini yomakhalekhukhwini?
It was a Samsung Prime Plus.
Uthi kwakade kuyi Samsung iPrime Plus.
And the other one was it was a black phone, but it did not have a name on it.
Le enye yayikade imnyama ngombala ingenalo igama.
Yes, you may proceed.
Qhubeka.
Then, my lord, we then proceeded to his place of residence.
Saqhubeka ke saya endlini yakhe.
From his place of residence, my lord, we then went to Vosumuzi Hostel.
Masuka la bekade hlala khona saya eVusmuzi ehostel.
From there, my lord, we then proceeded to Vosloorus police station.
Kusuka lapho ke saqhubeka saya esiphoyiseni sase Vosloorus.
While, my lord, we departed from those places which I've mentioned, I was, my lord, in possession of the 2 cellular phones.
Uma sisuka kuzo lezo indawo esengizichazile Nkosi yenkantolo ngangade mina ngiphethe labo makhalekhukhwini.
Yes.
From Vosloorus, my lord, we proceeded to Eratin, which is Detective Provincial Head Offices.
Ukusuka eVosloorus siye saqhubeka ke saya eEratin la ma-ofisi wabo abo detective.
I then, my lord, locked the 2 cell phones, my lord, inside the safe.
Mina ke ngiye ngathatha labo makhalekhukhwini ngabafaka ke kwi-safe ngabavalele.
Yes.
Until, my lord, when he was booked, or from Eratin, my lord, we investigation was done, and then from Eratin, we then proceeded from Eratin, and then we went to Valera police station, my lord, where he was detained.
Suka ke eEratin kulayo ukuthi kakade kuphenywa khona sasuka ke saya eValeria esiphoyiseni kula umsolwa uye wagcinwa khona.
Yes.
The detention, my lord, took place on the 31st of May 2020.
Yena ke uye wagcinwa lapho esiphoyiseni kusuka nge-31 zika May 2020.
On the very same day, my lord, when
The time, sorry.
Isikhathi
Yes.
the detention.
Yeah, the term of detention.
It
isikhathi
was-
sala
it was, my
afakwe
lord,
khona
So it was around 1 a.m.
kwakade kungabo 1 ntathakusa ngalesikhathi egcinwa esiphoyiseni.
Yes.
On the very same day, my lord, we continued with investigations.
Ngalo lolo suku Nkosi yenkantolo siye saqhubeka ngophenyo lwethu.
It was around 11 a.m.
Kwakade kula imizuzu ihora lesishume nomuvo ekuseni.
He was brought by Sergeant Mohane to Eratin, my lord.
Umsolwa uye walethwa uSergeant Mohane emletha eEratin.
If you say he was brought, who are you referring to?
I'm referring to accused number 1, Muzika Ukulelwa Sithemba Sibi.
Uma uthi umsolwa uye walethwa ukhuluma ngamuphi? Uthi ngikhuluma ngoVusmuzi kaUkhulelwa ele Sibiya elethwa eEratin.
Yes.
Vusithemba.
Yes, you may proceed.
Apologies, my lord, not Vusi Sithemba, Muzi Sithemba. Thank you. Muzi kaUkhulelwa.
While, my lord, I was in Eratin, I then took the exhibit, my lord, from the safe.
Ithe sisase Eratin kula mina ngiye ngathatha bufakazi lobuyana we safe.
And just mention the exhibits again for the record.
It was 2 cell phones, my lord.
Lobuya bufakazi okhuluma ngabo buphi? Uthi ilabo makhalekhukhwini ababini.
We then, my lord, left Eratin and went to Soweto. From Soweto, my lord, we then went to Pambridge.
Sasuka ke eEraton saya eSoweto, ukusuka eSoweto saya ePamridge.
The investigations, my lord, continued up until late on that day.
Uphenyo liye laqhubeka kufikela kusihlwa ngalelo langa.
Yes.
And then after investigations, my lord, were done, I then proceeded to Tembisa police station.
Ngemva kokuthi siqede ngophenyo ngiye ngaqhubeka ngaya esiphoyiseni saseThembisa.
Yes.
To open the docket, my lord.
Ukuyovula idokodo.
I also, my lord, booked in the exhibits into the SAP 13.
Ngiye ngafaka futhi nabo lobo bufakazi kwi-SAP 13.
And just for record purposes, when you say you went to open a docket at Tembisa, which docket did you go to open at Tembisa?
It was the docket, my lord, of position of ammunitions.
Uma uthi uye wayovula idokodo eThembisa wawukade uyovula liphi idokodo uthi kwakade kuyidokodo lokuphatha inhlamvu ezikekho emthethweni.
I did testify, my lord, before that upon the arrest, the accused, my lord, was found in possession of live ammunitions.
Bese sengiphene ngobufakazi bokuthi umsolwa ngalesikhathi ezebeboshwa uye watholakala enazo inhlamvu ebezikade ezingekho emthethweni.
Yes, you mentioned that you book the exhibits. And just once again, these exhibits, what are you referring to?
I booked in, my lord. I was in possession of three bags, my lord, which contained the cell phones,
Mina ngangikade ngiphethe ikhwama ezintathu enye yayikade inomakhalekhukhwini.
the ammunitions, my lord, with the magazine,
Enye isakalelo lalikade lineyinhlamvu nemagazine
and the firearm cleaning rod.
nento egeza noma ehlanza isibhamu.
Were the exhibits entered in the SAP 13 register?
That's correct, my lord.
Lobo bufakazi buye bafakwa ke kuyincwadi yobufakazi uthi yebo ziyezabhalwa.
Just want to show you exhibit CCC in brackets 1. Do you recognize the document?
Ngicela ukukubonisa ke ubufakazi buka CCC1 uyayazi leyo ncwadi na?
Yes, that's correct, my lord. I do. I have knowledge of this.
Uthi yebo
Document.
ngiyayazi leyo ncwadi.
Yes. Can you just place the contents of the SAP 13 on record?
Akusifundele yona.
Before me, my lord, I have a certified copy of the SAP 13.
Phambi kwami nginayo leyo ncwadi ekuthi iye yachifizwa istembe.
My lord, the SAP 13 number, which was recorded, is 887.
Leyo nombolo ekuthi ibhaliwe lapho u887 inombolo yayo iSAP 13.
And my lord, the items are being listed from 3.1.
Izinto ezibhaliwe lapho ku3.1
It's the cell phones, Silver Samsung Grand Prime Plus,
umakhalekhukhwini o silver ngombala iGrand Prime Plus
and unknown black phone sealed in forensic bag number.
esibini enye umakhalekhukhwini ongaziwa igama layo.
The bag number is PA 500 180 6986.
Ekuwukuthi inombolo yakhona kwakade ku PA 500 1806986.
You don't need to refer to the forensic bag containing the ammunition as well as the cleaning rod. You can go to column 4.
Column 4.1, my lord, it shows the name of the person who brought the exhibit, which is Sergeant Mohola, NADCOM Cold Case Investigation, Pretoria.
Bese ke ku 4.1 ke kubonisa umuntu olethe lobo bufakazi kwakade ku Sergeant Mohola oyikuthi usebenza esiphoyiseni sase Pretoria.
4.2, my lord, it indicates that the items were found on suspect.
U 4.2 yabonisa ukuthi lezo zinto azilethile zazikade zitholwe kumsolwa.
Yes, the name, just put the name on record.
4.3, my lord, the name of the suspect is Moses Themba Sibia.
Igama lakhe umsolwa loyo kwakade kuMuzi Sithemba Sibiya.
And my lord, I've also signed on 4.4, my lord.
Bese ke usajeni wasayina yena ku 4.4
As the person who brought the exhibit.
njengomuntu obekade elethe lobo bufakazi.
4.5, my lord, is the person, the person who has received the exhibit, my lord, has also attached, my lord, his signature under 4.5.
Bese ku 4.5 umuntu lo owamukele lobu yabufakazi naye usayinile.
Under column 5, my lord, it shows, my lord, that the items were booked by me out for investigations, my lord.
Futhi ke ku column yesihlanu kubonisa ukuthi lezo zinto ziyeza lethwa noma zakhishwa uyena usajeni ukuthi ayophenya.
Yes, there's an attachment to the SAP 13 register. It's exhibit CCC in brackets 2.
Siyeke kulobu bufakazi buka CCC kuma bracket 2.
If you can just place paragraph 4 on record.
Paragraph 4, my lord, says that I handed the said item to Sergeant Mohola.
Lapho ke ku paragraph 4 ithi mina nganikezela lezo zinto ku Sergeant Mohola.
Yes, the date, the SAP 13 number, as well as those items, the
On the-
forensic back seal numbers.
On the 01 day of June, year 2020.
Elisuku lokuqala ku June 2020 kulapho lezo zinto zanikezelwa kuyena uSergeant Mohola.
Thank you. And just paragraph 2.
Paragraph 2 state that, my lord, that during the normal course of my duties, I received the following items from Sergeant Mohola. The said items being one bag with cell number PA 500-180-6986,
Yes.
PA 500-146-1822, and PA 500-180-6984.
Uyasho ke lo muntu lo bekade enikezele uSergeant lezo zinto ukuthi ngelanga lelo yena wayekade eqhubeka enza umsebenzi wakhe, yena ke uye wathola izinto ezilandelelayo kusuka ku Sergeant Mohola. Lezo zinto kwakade kuyi isikhwama sobufakazi ebesikade sina lamanombolo alandelelayo uPA 500-180-6986 elandelelayo kwakade ku PA 500-146-1822 eyokugcina kwakade ku PA 500-180-6984.
Regarding the first forensic bag, you've already referred to that serial number when you were reading the extract of the SAP 13. Can you just, for record purpose, just confirm what did it contain?
The exhibit
first
bag.
one. Yes, the first one.
The first one is PA 500-180-6986.
Yes, and what did it contain?
It contained 2 cell phones, silver Samsung Grand Prime Plus, unknown black phone.
Manje ke bese sokhulumile ngabo lobo ubufakazi ukuthi kulesa sikhwama sokuqala kwakade kunani uthi kwakade kunalo makhala ekhukhwini wenhlobo weSamsung nale enye ebekade ingenalo igama.
Yes, what happened thereafter?
My lord, upon leaving Tembisa South Police Station, my lord, I went back to Ereton.
Kwenzakeleni ngemva kwalokho uthi uma ngiqeda kusuka esiphoyiseni saseThembisa mina ngiye ngaya ke eEraton.
What happened to the exhibits when you left the police station?
The exhibit, my lord, were with me because I booked out the exhibit.
Kwenzakeleni ke ngalobo bufakazi ngalesikhathi uhamba uthi ngangikade ngibuphethe ngoba bengikade ngibubhukhile ukuthi ngiyabukhipha.
The exhibit bag, my lord, was then put in Ereton Provincial Head Office in a safe, my lord.
Lobo bufakazi ke buye bathathwa bafakwa kwi-safe esiphoyiseni sase-Ereton.
Can we then move to the 30th of June 2020? Can you tell the court what happened on the day?
Asiyeke kusuku le-30 zika June 2020 akutshela inkantolo ukuthi kwenzakeleni
Regarding the buccal samples?
ukuya ngalezi lama sample abekade ethathiwe.
On the 30th of June, my lord, I was in Johannesburg prison.
Ngeyi-30 zika June nkosi yenkantolo ngangikade ngisejele lase-Johannesburg
Where, my lord, I was with Brigadier Gininda,
la bengikade ngino-Brigadier Gininda
Lieutenant Colonel Mangena,
no-Lieutenant Colonel Mangena
Sergeant Tsiye,
no-Sergeant Tsiye.
Sergeant says the witness who just stood down.
That's correct, my lord.
U-Sergeant Tsiye uyena lo bekafakaza manje ngaphambi kwakho uthi yebo.
My lord, we went there for the purpose of investigation, and we approached Mtobisi Prince Carlos Mncube.
Uthi ke siye laphayana kulelo jele siyophenya safika saya kumthobisi Prince Carlos Mncube.
And my lord, Sergeant Tsiye was there to take a DNA buccal swab.
U-Sergeant Ntsiye yena wayekade eye laphayana ukuyothatha lama DNA phakathi kwabo phakathi kuye emlomo uCarlos.
And Colonel Mangena was also doing his own investigations, my lord.
uColonel Mangena naye wayekade eyenza uphenyo lwakhe.
Yes.
And my lord, I remember that the DNA sample was taken from accused number 3.
Ngiyakhumbula nkosi yenkantolo ukuthi lawo masample wathathwa kumsolwa kumangalelwa wesithathu
By Sergeant Tsiye.
ethathwa uSergeant Tsiye.
After he was done, my lord, with them, he gave them to me.
Ngemva kokuthi sekaqedile ngawo uye wawanikezelana kumina.
Just want to show you a document exhibit triple B in brackets 1.
Ngicela ukubonisa ubufakazi buka triple B kuma bracket 1.
The evidence collection slip. Is this the evidence bag that was given to you?
Leso yislipi isona esilekade sinalobu yabufakazi obanikwa kuwena.
That's correct, my lord.
Uthi yebo yiso.
Just put the forensic bag number on record.
I only see the code, my lord.
Yes.
Oh, that's fine. The exhibit back number, my lord, is PA 400 4936 249.
manje ke ake usitshele yayithini inombolo leyo eyalobo bufakazi uthi kwakade ku PA 400 493 6249.
Now, what did you do with the forensic bag after receiving it from Sergeant Zia?
Wenzeni ke ngaleso sikhwama sobufakazi ngemva kokuthi sithola kuye uSergeant Ntsiye?
I then, my lord, went to Eraton and locked the exhibit inside the safe, my lord.
Ngiye ngaya eEraton ngafika ngavalela lobo bufakazi kuyisafe.
Can we then move to the events of the 6th of July 2020, also regarding the vehicle sample?
Asiyeke ku i6 zika July 2020 nalabe kade kuthathwa ama DNA.
On the day, my lord, I was in Lukop prison.
Ngalolo suku inkosi yenkantolo ngangade ngisejele laseLokop.
I was, my lord, with Sergeant Tsiye and Brigadier Kininda.
Ngangade ngino Sergeant Tsiye no Brigadier Kininda.
And my lord, the DNA buccal swab, my lord, was taken from Mthokoziseni Mapisa.
Buye kwathathwa ke ama samples wakhe uMthokoziseni Mapisa,
Who is, my lord, accused number 4 on this matter.
umsolwa wesine kuleli cala.
Yes. Taken by who?
It was taken by Sergeant Tsiye.
Athathwe ubani lawo masample uthi athathwe uSergeant Ntsiye.
Yes.
Qhubeka.
And after, my lord, we were done, we continued with investigation, my lord.
Yes.
Ngemva kokuthi siqede siye saqhubeka ngokuphenya.
I then, my lord,
Yes. Well, what happened to the exhibits after they were taken by Sergeant Zia?
my lord, the exhibit were handed over to me.
Kwenzakeleni ngalabo bufakazi uthi buye banikezelwa kumina.
Yes. Where were the exhibits? Where were the exhibits?
They were inside the exhibit bag.
Bebuphakathi kwani lobo bufakazi uthi bebuphakathi kwaso isikhwama sobufakazi.
Just want to show you exhibit triple B in brackets 2,
Ngicela ukubonisa ubufakazi buka triple
evidence
B
collection kit.
2.
Is that the forensic bag that was given to you?
That's correct, my lord.
Ibona ubufakazi lo wakade wanikezelwa kubona uthi yebo.
What is the reference number? The forensic bag number?
It is PA 400 463 8062.
Ithini inombolo lapho uthi uPA 400 463 8062.
Thank you. Can you then move to the 9th of July 2020? What happened on the day?
Asiyeke kwi9 zika July 2020 kwenzakeleni ngalelo langa.
Regarding the exhibits that you received?
Umayelana nalo bufakazi ouye wabuthola.
My lord, I then took the said exhibit, my lord,
Ngiye ngathatha lobo bufakazi inkosi yenkantolo.
Yes, which exhibit?
Usho buphi?
the DNA sample.
Lawo ma sample we DNA inkosi yenkantolo.
I took them from the safe and then forwarded them to a forensic science laboratory, my lord, under biology.
Ngiye ngabuthatha ke lobo bufakazi ngabuyisa kwi forensic safety nga forensic science ngabuyisa ke kwi forensic science laboratory
for the purpose, my lord, of investigation.
ukuze bayophenya na.
Yes, and what happened to the exhibits pertaining to the cell phones?
Kwenzakeleni ngalobu yabufakazi bomakhala ekhukhwini?
I think, my lord, on the 17th of July,
Nge 17 zika July inkosi yenkantolo
I took, my lord, the exhibits
ngathatha lobo bufakazi
to Brixton, my lord, war room for downloading.
ngabuyisa eBrixton ukuze bayo downloada.
Thank you. Can we then just lastly touch upon the events of the 26th of October 2020?
Asiyeke kwizinto ezenzakele nge26 zika October 2020.
On the 26th of October, my lord, I went to Johannesburg prison
Nge 26 zika October nkosi yenkantolo ngiye ngaya ejele lase Johannesburg.
I was, my lord, in possession of a warrant of arrest for the arrest of accused number 3.
Ngangade ngiphethe incwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa komsolwa wesithathu.
Yes.
And, my lord, when I got to the Johannesburg prison, my lord,
Uma ngifika ejele lase Johannesburg
I made arrangement that, my lord, he be called in order for me to execute the warrant of arrest.
ngiye ngacela ukuthi bambize ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi ngisebenzise lencwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kwakhe.
In which, my lord, I did execute the warrant of arrest.
Ngempela ngiye ngayisebenzisa leyo ncwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kwakhe.
And, my lord, informed accused number 3 of his constitutional rights.
Msolo wesithathu ngiye ngamnikezela ngamtshela amalungelo wakhe.
And, my lord, he said he understood.
Yena wathi uyawezwa uyawazwisisa.
He further, my lord, asked me to share the evidence with him, the evidence that we have against him.
Uye waqhubeka engicela ukuthi ngimtshele ubufakazi osinabo ekuthi bumayelana naye.
I then, my lord, informed him that at the right time, my lord, there will be a disclosure of the dockets.
Ngiye ngamtshela ke ukuthi isikhathi uma sesifikile sizobazisa ke ukuthi idokodo liphethe.
And he understood, my lord.
Yena uye wazwisisa.
I was, my lord,
Yes.
I was with Constable Buthelezi and Constable Sadiq.
Ngangade ngino Constable Buthelezi no Constable Sadiq.
Thank you. That is all, my lord. Thank you.
Sorry.
Yes.
And also, my lord, from Johannesburg prison, I then went to Modabi prison, my lord.
Uma ngisuka ke ejele lase Johannesburg ngiye ngaya eModa B.
And, my lord, also did the same, my lord, requested them to call accused number 1 for me.
Ngafika nakhona ngacela ukuthi bangibizele ummangalelwa wokuqala.
And, my lord, the warrant of arrest, my lord, was executed against on accused number 1.
Ngafika ngasebenzisa lencwadi ebekade igunyaza ukuboshwa kommangalelwa wokuqala.
Okay. Anything else that you want to add?
Ikhona enye into ofuna ukuyigcwalisela?
On the 17th of June, my lord, 2020,
nge-17 zika June 2020 inkosi yenkantolo
I received, my lord, the exhibit pack, which contain the DNA sample of accused number 2.
ngiye ngathola isikhwama lesiyana sobufakazi ebesikade sinama DNA womsolo wesibini
Which, my lord, I received from Sergeant Mohane.
ekuthi ngiyithole kusuka ku Sergeant Mohane.
And my lord took the exhibit to Forensic Science Laboratory, my lord, under biology section.
Ngiye ngathatha ke lobo bufakazi ngabisa kwi forensic science laboratory.
And did you make a statement regarding the handing in of the exhibits on the 17th of June 2020, the one that you received from Sergeant Mohane?
Uye wasenza statement ngalo bufakazi obuthole ku Sergeant Mohane.
Yes, I did, my lord.
Uthi yebo ngiye ngasenza.
Just want to show you this document. Do you
Cela ukubonisa na incwadi.
recognize the statement?
Sayikhumbula leyo ncwadi statement leso.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I do recognize it.
What is the date of the
Sasukhumbula.
statement?
(2020-06-17).
Ithini ilanga laleso statement uthi 2020 0617.
Did you sign the statement?
Yes, my lord, I did sign the statement.
Wasisayina leso statement uthi yebo.
Now, did the forensic bag that you received from Sergeant Mohane, did it have identification mark?
Yes, my lord.
Lesiya sikhwama ewasithola kuye uSergeant Mohane sasikade sinenombolo uthi yebo.
Do you remember the mark from the top of your head?
No, my lord.
Usakhumbula inombolo leyo yakhona ngengqondo yakho uthi cha angiyikhumbuli?
Do you wish to refresh your memory from your statement regarding the serial number?
Yes, my lord.
Ungathanda ukuzikhumbuza yona leyo nombolo uthi yebo.
Can you put the serial number on record?
It's PA 400 471 8737.
Uthi nayi ke inombolo uPA 400 471 8737.
Anything further that you wish to add?
Khona enye into ofuna ukuyigcwalisela?
There is none, my lord.
Uthi ayikho.
Thank you, that is all.
Yes, Mr. Mgomezulu.